If you are searching for the best home decor product for your room, then this tabletop water fountain is the best solution for your home decor product. As you can see, this tabletop water fountain has 3 small ports. When you will switch on this tabletop water fountain, the water starts gently flowing from one port to another port, and it looks so much beautiful, it looks so much peaceful, especially during the night time. To be honest, this is the best home decor product I have ever seen on Amazon. First of all, as you can see, this tabletop water fountain has a small rockery rocks which looks so much elegant, especially during the night time. So this tabletop water fountain is the best addition in my home. This tabletop water fountain has a 4.1 star rating on the Amazon, and basically it is the good product. It is the best product, especially for my home decor. So if you want to buy it, then I will provide the link in the description. Yes, you can buy it from the Amazon. You can place this tabletop water fountain on the bedside table and anywhere you want to put it in your home. I will provide the link in the description. Yes, you can buy it from the Amazon.